Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily take better selfies on the 12 megapixel front camera on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the app, and the first step to taking better selfies is using the wide mode, even if you're alone in the picture, because it makes background more colorful and aesthetic, and it also makes you look smaller. And if you use the normal one, your head can look big even if it isn't. So I always use this one, and what I do next is go here, and what we can do is add smoothness to our face. Here we can add a tone, or what we can do is add the jawline, which is pretty impressive. And the last one is our eyes. We can set it from 0 to 8, and it actually makes a big difference when I last checked it. And what you can also do is change the resolution here. You can test it out on full, 1:1, 9:16, or 3:4, which is set by default. You can also add a motion photo, because you can also check for the fragments. Like, it's a live photo, right? It works just like a live photo, so if you take a picture or do it before, maybe before you looked better or your hair wasn't messy, you can also edit it out and you can have a good photo. Also, if you place your phone on a tripod or something like this, what you can do is use a timer. Now you have time to say cheese to the photo, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.